Got a Rogers Red card and wondering what its real value is? You're not alone. When you see the numbers on paper, the annual fee, the cashback rates, it's easy to feel a little underwhelmed. But what if the true value of this card is something you have to actively calculate and not just read on a brochure? The Rogers Red card offers a 2% cash back on all purchases. Simple, right? But here's the kicker. For every purchase you make, you're not just getting 2% back, you're also potentially saving on your Rogers bill. Let's break it down. The card's annual fee is $29, but it's waived if you have an eligible Rogers plan. Most people who get this card do, so for many, the cost is effectively zero. But let's assume you don't and you're paying that $29. To break even, you'd need to spend $1,450 a year, which is about $121 a month. Not a high bar for most. Now, let's talk about the perks. The real magic happens with the Rogers Rewards. For every dollar you spend, you get 2 cents back. And those cents can be redeemed to pay your Rogers bill. It's a closed-loop system, but a very effective one if you're already a Rogers customer. Let's say your average monthly Rogers bill is around $80. That's $960 a year. The 2% cash back you earn on your everyday spending could essentially wipe out that entire cost. If you spend $4,000 a month on the card, that's $80 back, which covers your bill. Over a year, that's $960 in savings. Add in the extra cash back from your other spending, and the value really starts to add up. So, how do we estimate the total effective yearly value? It's a simple formula, your total annual spend times 2%. So, if you spend $25,000 in a year, you'd get $500 back. That's money you can use to pay your Rogers bill, buy a new phone, or just save. The Rogers Red card is not about getting a ton of flashy perks, it's about the consistent, predictable savings you get on your wireless service. It's a tool for optimizing your existing expenses, not a card that tries to sell you on benefits you'll never use. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.